I guess so. They wait for this shit for a long time, didn't they?
It's me, it's NKE, and we're going to be doing 2013 Rookies and Stars, 2013 Upper Deck Football, 2013 Tops, 2015 Tops, my bad, Donruss Elite 2009, and 1991 Pacific. And then on my dad's side, technically it's the same thing. This is going to be... Year's this? 2015 Rookies and Stars, 2015 Tops, it's the 9 Donruss, Rookies and Stars, and 2016 Leaf Draft.
We're basically doing budget breaks, things that pretty much anybody would be able to open.
So I'm going to start off with my 1991 Pacific Donruss football. I added some cards to the background, like up there. I added like a Bryce Harper, Freddie Freeman rookie, a couple other cards. Thought I would add those in. We're starting off with Jerome Brown, John Raid, Jeff Wright, Mark Bortz, Thane Gash, Dennis Gibson, Ruben Davis, Newsby Glasgow, Chip Lomiller, Terrence Mathias, Heath Sherman, Stephen Brossard, James Williams, and Johnny Bailey.
Okay. I'm going to be doing the Leaf Draft, 2015 Leaf Draft.
Hopefully we get a Dak or Zeke from here. That would be pretty nice. That would be going in our sleeves. You never know. Maybe you could pull an auto out of here.
Brandon Addison, J. Ron Curse, Kenny Clark, and Roger Lewis.
Isn't there 5 cards in the pack?
Oh, I'm sorry, one more. Jalen Ramsey.
I think the next one I want to do, I'm going to try my 2013 Tops. I guess you would call this like a draft. Ooh, that was not...
Tops football?
I'm doing my 2013 Upper Deck.
Oh, you have an upper deck.
I got a star rookie of Gavin Escobar. Oh, they also say star rookie on there. Duke Williams. Ooh, that's an old one. Joe Theismann.
Nice.
That's a nice one right there. We got Barrett Jones and Jordan Hill.
Okay, I'm going to do 2013 Rookie and Stars.
Hopefully a die cut. No die cut?
No. Denarius Moore.
That's a nice one.
DeMarco Murray.
Ooh.
Russell Wilson.
Oh.
Ben Roethlisberger. Upside down. So
autograph?
No.
Ooh. That's a nice one right there.
Parallel, probably.
It says longevity in the back. Longevity. Okay, I said it right the first time.
Okay.
That's a nice one. I thought that was an auto there for a second.
Jordan Reed, rookie card.
BenJarvus Green.
Yeah, BenJarvus Green Ellis. Phillip Rivers. And Mikael LeShore.
I'm doing my 2013 Tops rookies. Tops? No, Panini Rookies and Stars. My bad. We got Andrew Luck, Rashard Mendenhall, Danny Amendola. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. Game Plan, Larry Fitzgerald.
He likes that because we're in Arizona.
Ace Sanders. Doug Martin. Tamba Holly. And a LaShawn McCoy. That's a nice one right there. That's a nice way to end off the pack.
Okay, I'm going to do 2015 Topps football.
'49ers on the back.
Yeah.
That's my team right there.
And Eric Decker.
That's a nice one.
Joseph Randall.
Hey, that's Zeke's number.
And Antonio Gates. Calvin Johnson. Joe Thomas. All-time fantasy legends Warren Moon. Tim Wright. Jordy Nelson. Darrell Rivas. Eli Harold. David Cobb. Mike Davis.
How many packs do you have left? 2?
2.
Same here. I'm going to do my 2015 tops now. We got a Geno Smith, Mohamed Sanu, Julius Edelman, Indianapolis Colts, Frank Gore, I like that card. Alfred Blue. Ooh, 49er. Anquan Baldwin. That's a nice one right there.
The rookie? No?
No. Drew Brees. Mario Williams. Malcolm Butler. Trey Waynes and Brandon Scherf.
I'm going to do rookie and stars. I don't know what year is
That's 2015.
2015 rookie and stars. Dwayne Bowe. Brandon Marshall. LaShawn McCoy. Geno Smith. Tavares Austin.
Ooh. Number to 299.
It's a red. Red rookie, Tavares Daniels.
Here, give me that. We're going to be sleeving that one up. Going to do this one on camera. And it's sleeved.
Brashad Perriman. Ifu Ekpreol. I don't know.
Alumu.
Sounds Samoan to me. Mike Davis. Trey Waynes.
And a code. We usually don't use those. And that's probably expired. So I'm going to do this retail Donruss. 5 cards per pack. But it actually looks pretty thick. No mojo. Ooh, these cards are... Greg Camarillo. Wow. Marshawn Lynch when he played on the Bills. Calvin Johnson, Dallas Clark, and Anquan Bolden. It was a filler. Of course. Those darn fillers, huh?
Okay, I'm going to do my 2009 Donruss Elite.
That Marshawn Lynch was pretty cool.
Greg Jennings. Justin Gage.
Just engaged.
Donovan McNabb. Jason Witten. John Carlson.
Well, that's our break. Really didn't get much, but You got this sweet pull number to 299 rookie Devarius Daniels.
This isn't the best box like this we opened, but not the worst.
Well,
What I'd like to tell you is that a lot of the things, actually all of the things you see in the background, the material cards, the autographs, and everything, we've gotten from retail boxes just like this and other things that you can just get at your local Walmart, Target. And it's not too often you get really big ones like this, but it comes along once in a while.
and I would like to say, like, some of the stuff, like, see these two Donruss racing cards right here? Those actually came from, like, a $3 pack, if you guys remember my pack opening.
A retail box.
A retail box,
from
actually.
Target.
And we opened these 3 WWE cards right here. The Natalia, the R-Truth, and the Ryback. Those are from blaster boxes. This Freddie Freeman, we didn't grade it ourselves. We found, got a box, and it came with 1 graded card. So everything right here you could find at your local store. I wouldn't say everything, but like these hobby boxes, like the NBA hoops, the Prism, and
Actually,
the draft
this
picks.
came from a retail box too.
Yeah, that came from a $12 blaster box.
It was on sale. It was on clearance on their clearance boxes of archives, and in that box, well, we bought 2 boxes. One box we got the 1-of-1 plate,
And an Eduardo Perez autograph.
and the other box.
No, that was
Oh,
the same box.
Oh well, both of them came out of the same box
And
for $11.99,
$11.98.
$11.98.
And I just would like to say, like, these boxes right here, we don't open up much hobby because really you can basically, whatever you get in the hobby, you could technically get in blaster boxes. And we just proved that with that one because usually printing plates are harder to get in retail boxes. But we got this one, and I'm not technically saying I'm proving my point, but I would like to say that it's possible to get stuff like this, and you don't have to buy the hobbies. So
if you
like
don't
these-
have much money and just want to open up packs, you still have a chance of getting something good.
exactly. And I would just like to say, like, these hobby boxes, like these 2 right here, we didn't pay for the Flawless and the National Treasures.
They were given to him. Somebody else opened them, and they had a bunch of them, so they didn't need it.
So I would just like to say that these in the background were only like $30. So
And on special occasions, maybe on Christmas or his birthday, you get him a hobby box. So that's what some of the hobby boxes are. Actually, that's a retail box.
nope, hobby.
No, that's your hobby.
Hobby.
Yeah.
So I just want to end the video there. I just want to say that you could get all these cards no matter what. And we proved that on this channel. So I would like to say, see you later. Catch you next time. Like the video and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
I guess so.